Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple. And today I would be talking about pivot trading strategy. So if you have been watching my videos regularly, you would have seen a similar video before. So today I would be talking about the pivot trading strategies, logic behind it, and how you can use it very easily, and you can see where the stock might go through. So I would be talking about this strategy. This strategy actually works with many stocks, but with Infosys it works perfectly, at least at this point of time in 2018. So how does it work? As you can see, right now markets are closed. The Infi opened today at 11:24. It made a high of 1139.80, and it made a low of 1123.10, and it closed at 1132.85. So this is the overall picture. So pivot trading strategy can be applied for the next stage trade. So how to calculate it is, you have to take an average of today's trade. That means open, high and low divided by 3. So open is 1124 plus 1139.80 plus 1123.10 divided by 3, that would be 1128.96. So this is the average of today's trade, and you have to see whether today's close was above this average. So if today's close is above this particular average, then tomorrow you have to go long. That means tomorrow it should be a buy signal. Again is exactly opposite. So 1128.96 is today's average, and if the closing is below this, then you should tomorrow the signal would be short or sell for intraday. Now how this strategy works? Now open, high and low basically shows you the strength of a particular stock. That means open is nothing but where the markets opened at what price. Means the open price, you can actually watch my other video where I talk about how open price is calculated. So open price is calculated on how the buyers and sellers are available at what price. High actually means that from that particular point there has been some profit booking, and low actually means from there it is showing strength. All right, so open, high, low, it will give you an overall average about buyers and sellers. And as you know, stock market is all about buyers and sellers. So when you know about buyers and sellers in general, open, high and low actually provides you the strength of a particular stock and how it closes. Now why we are calculating the close price? The close price is when people are willing to buy or people are willing to sell. So if this average is if the close price is below this particular average, that means it's showing weakness. For tomorrow it is showing weaknesses because the last 1 hour of trade and first 1 hour of 1 hour of trade is very important for during trading sessions. So during the close, it's very important whether market is showing the stock is showing weakness or strength. And so if the stock is closing above this pivot average price, we call this pivot average, then it is showing strength, and vice versa. So if it is much below that pivot average, then it is showing weakness for tomorrow. That means people are not willing to hold it for tomorrow and things like that. So what will happen is tomorrow it might the signal is showing long, but as soon as market opens, it might go a little down from the open price, and that's the time when you should enter the stock, and you should actually enter it within 5 points or things like that, for 3 to 5 points movement. and you can easily make this. Now the reason why I say this is the stop loss should be 20 points for Infosys is mainly because if Infosys is moving downwards towards downwards or upwards 20 points, that means the yesterday's signal may not be accurate. So if you actually work on this strategy regularly, you the percentage of the accuracy of this particular strategy is 70 to 80%. That means it gives you profits most of the times, and believe me, it gives you profit. So but you can actually add another indicator about open high low. Open high low, I have also spoken about this strategy on another video, where if the open is equal to high, then you should short. That means people are booking profits, and you should short that day. And open is equal to low, that means you should actually go long on that day because it's showing strength on that stock. So these two indicators you can actually watch by in Infi or any other stock. So for today, this particular stock Bemel, you can see open is equal to high, and immediately at 1120 or at that price you could have actually gone short and made a low of almost 20 points, 22 points. So the previous close was 1120, but as soon as it opened, that was the today's low, today's high. So you could have actually, so in Infi also, if you see anything like open is equal to high or open is equal to low, you can actually apply both these strategies and then do an intraday trade. And as I told you, this strategy actually has an accuracy percentage of 70 to 80%, which means that if you trade every day in the 20 trading sessions, that there is a possibility that you might be in slight loss on some days, but overall 70 to 80 times or 70 to 80 times out of 100 you will be in profit. So that's how as I told you, that shows the strength of a particular stock. So pivot strategy works in that way, where it shows you the strength of a particular stock for the next day. So you can actually decide one day in advance, but if you also include the other indicator about open is equal to high and open is equal to low, there is a better chance of greater returns. And you can apply this strategy on futures too, but the underlying stock, please always remember that the future prices always move with the stock prices. That means if your stock signal is buy, the future will also be buy. The stock is low, sell, then the future will also go down today. It doesn't work where the stock is going high and the future is going low. It does not work in opposite directions. So please do remember this. So hope you enjoyed this informative video. If you can also watch my other videos about pivot trading and open high low strategies, and that will give you a much more clear picture of it. But if you include both these strategies together, and Infosys is a very good stock to try for it. I have back tested it myself for few months, and also checked it that other people have also tried it with Infosys, and it works perfectly. It works beautifully with Infosys, and this gives you a very good profit during intraday, and it's very easy strategy to use. All right, so hope you enjoyed this informative video. If you have any comments on my videos, please feel free to write to me, and I'll be happy to take your feedbacks too. So thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.